We've been riding the Pera Tail Whip seat for about 2,000 miles now and really like it. Like all Peras, it uses a steel base instead of a composite base like many other seats in the market. They have a really good, firm yet pliable padding. Maggie, my fiance, has sat on the back of this seat for probably almost the whole 2,000 miles I've had it on this bike, and really enjoys the way the little tail whip thing cradles the back of her bum. It's really cool. Another thing about the seat that I really like is the basket weave stitching. It's a really nice surface. It does add a little grip, but also it adds a little air in between my butt and the seat. I do enjoy that as well. Usually on all the Pera seats that I get, from the time I've had FXRs and Dynas till now, I get the basket weave no matter what. The back of the seat and how comfortable it is and how high it comes up in your lower back is key on a bagger seat that you're putting miles on. I can't stress that enough. Definitely, no matter what kind of seat that you're looking for, definitely make sure it has a wall style, step up style, or tail whip style back.